for the second game of the Saturday action. Dito lamang yan sa Bukal Season 6. And this second game will bring you a heavy matchup dahil magtatapatan po ang ating STI Olympians in the Seniors Division together with the Annunciation Panthers will be battling. Ayan, maglalaban po sila for the third spot dito sa ating play-in run. Good afternoon, Bicolanja. I am Jasper Abante, your commentator for this game. Ayan, at live po tayo dito ngayon sa Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. Live na live rin po tayong napapanood via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page, also on YouTube. Ayan, live na live rin po tayo via YouTube. Kaya naman tutok lamang for more top basketball actions dahil patuloy po namin ihatid ang tier basketball actions. And this game will determine who will claim the third spot dito po sa ating Seniors Division play-in round. And we are about to begin our tip-off. And as we can see, Salvacion from the Annunciation Panthers. And dito namang ating from the STI Olympians, we have Russell Aiki Berse. Ayan, at ang team standings nitong dalawang teams na ito, we have 3-5, 3 wins and 5 losses naman on the side of the STI Olympians and 4-4 on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And the first ball possession has come to the STI Olympians. So let's see kung paano sila dito makakapuntos. But still, coming from Salvacion, now a 3-pointer. No good on that 3-pointer by jersey number 11. Now, a wrong pass coming from jersey number 21 of the STI Olympians. And the ball will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. So let's see, dahil wala pa pong nakakapunto sa dalawang teams na ito, let's see kung paano sila dyan magsisecure ng points. Ayan. Fajardo, the big man. Napakaagang whistle on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And speaking of the Annunciation Panthers, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Rain. Rain, take it away. Alright, so babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Rain for her update. And as we can see, Fajardo standing on the free throw line. And no good on that 2 free throws. Grabe yung banggaan dito ni Fajardo and Berse. Napakaagang banggaan. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Rain, dahil handang-handa na siya. Rain, take it away.
Once again, hello, Bicolanja. We are now at the second game for today. I am Rainiers and I am your courtside reporter. At ako nga po ulit ang makakasama nyo on the side of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. This is yet another anticipated matchup because this is between the rookies and the defending champions. As for the Panthers, Coach Ron made adjustments on their positions for better plays. Offense and their defense have been, of course, their training. And just like every previous game, the goal is to always win at maglaro ng may pusong Panther. Now will the Panthers be able to have their cards dealt with? Abangan natin yan only here at Oragon Sports TV Liga, ng mga kampiyon ng One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, for that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Grabe yung palitan ng puntos dito while Rain is reporting. Grabe. First blood coming from the STI Olympians courtesy of Russell Berse, and agad namang nakaganti dyan si Detisio of the Annunciation Panthers. 3 dali para pigilan si Detisio, but Detisio getting that 3 points play opportunity. Grabe. Now STI Olympians on the offense. Now, Barredo hands it to Racelis for 3. No good on that 3 points attempt. And parang ready na ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the STI Olympians. Tawagin na natin ang ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Casey to give us an update. Alright, so Casey, take it away.
The stakes are high and the tension is real as we witness a clash between two determined teams. Marhay na udto Bicolandia, this is Casey Antioquia, bringing the action from the side of STI Olympians in the seniors battle for the third spot in the play-in round of Bukal Season 6. It's another game where the defending champs are going head-to-head with the rookies. However, according to Coach Joel, the team is very happy to have the opportunity to face off against the defending champs of Season 5. He also quoted, "Nagkaroon kami ng breakthrough with Destiny because we are not supposed to be here," referring to their journey as a team composed mostly of first-year students. It's a clash of tradition and ambition, champions versus challengers. Don't miss a beat as we bring you the action, insights, and highlights straight from the court. Kaya tutok lamang dito sa One Media, TV48 Naga, o Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa'yo, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the STI Olympians. Grabe. While Casey is reporting, Salvacion getting that three-pointer and advances their lead to 3 points. And ayun na nga, yung natutunghayan nating laban ngayon is the defending champs versus the rookies. Dahil kung alam nyo po, defending champion po itong ating Annunciation Panthers since they are the champion for Bukal Season 5. And ito namang ating STI Olympians. I think they are very thankful right now. They are very grateful right now because kung alam nyo lang po yung standing nila last season, they had no wins. Ayan, hindi sila nakakuha ng panalo for Bukal Season 5. But look at them now playing on the play-in round for Bukal Season 6. Napakaganda pong tingnan nung kanilang improvement. And as we can see, Salvacion standing on the free throw line. Now, 4 na puntos na po yung kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Salvacion getting that third free throw, and that's good. Now, jersey number 0, Martinez, firing 3. Grabe, ang agang nakabawi dito ng ating STI Olympians. Well, now Alminye, but still coming from Martinez on the side of the STI Olympians. Now Martinez with that long pass and a missed opportunity here for the STI Olympians after that out of bounds by Cyrus Ken Racelis. Ayan. Ramdam na ramdam din yung bigat nitong laban na ito. Russell is with that easy layup, attacking on the right, using his right hand. Grabe. Napakagandang bawi. And we are deadlocked at 7 points dito sa ating first quarter. 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining now. The Tisho firing 3. Grabe. Napakaagang bawi din. A back-to-back 3 for the Annunciation Panthers. Well, the Tisho pala is 18. 11 is Bustillo. Now, Bustillo, libreng-libre, lumilipad. Grabe, and that forces the STI Olympians to call a timeout. Grabe, napakagandang aksyon sa pagsisimula ng ating first quarter. And as we can see, the same yung nangyari kanina sa juniors ng Panthers with that easy layup. Let's take a look once again sa easy layup ni Racelis of the STI Olympians. And ito namang bawi ni Deticio with that 3 points. Grabe. Napakaganda. And this fast break opportunity by Bustillo, lumilipad. Well, kanina kung napanood nyo yung laban ng ating Annunciation Panthers and the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, lumilipad din doon yung ating Annunciation Panthers. Well, akala namin Tigers can have wings because of NCF wings, and this time the Panthers have the wings. Dito pa lamang yan sa ating first quarter. Ayan, and they are back after that timeout. Now Martinez. Now Fajardo, the big man for the Annunciation Panthers. Didiretso, walang pag-alinlangan Fajardo. Now jersey number 34. Napakaagang bawi naman for the STI Olympians. Grabe. Back-to-back layups. Back-to-back points. Montaña and Fajardo. Now this time Bustillo hands it to Salvacion. Now Fajardo, the big man. Matatawagan dito ng foul itong si jersey number 11 of the STI Olympians, Pado. Grabe talaga. Dinukot niya pa sa kaliwa, Fajardo. And now ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, easy layup na naman. Coming from jersey number 34, Carl Montaña of the STI Olympians. Back-to-back fast breaks ang atin sa atin ng ating STI Olympians. So let's see with that miscue by Bustillo. Ball possession na ngayon ng ating STI Olympians. 14-11. 3 points lead of the Panthers. Now, Montaña once again. Well guarded by Salvacion. Match na match dito si Salvacion and si Montaña. Now Martinez. To Montaña. What a pass! What an alley-oop play. Grabe. Kahit hindi nakatingin doon, kuhang-kuha. And napakaagang bawi naman coming from Deticio, jersey number 18 of the Annunciation Panthers. Well, kailangan rin nating abangan dito si Alex Cario of the STI Olympians, the MVP for Bukal Season 5. Grabe. Grabe yung tensyon ng ating mga fans dito. Now, jersey number 29 fires for 3 and nothing but the net. Let's go. Grabe. Jericho Pelayo getting that triple. Grabe. Pero agad namang may bawi itong ating Annunciation Panthers. Now Racelis. No good on that 3-pointer. Now Fajardo for the Annunciation Panthers. Deticio to Alminie. No good on that triple. Now jersey number 34, Montaña. Anzito Martinez. Now, napakabilis ng facing nitong dalawang teams na ito. On the corner now, jersey number 34, Montaña once again to Racelis. Nahihirapang pumasok. Now, and out of bounds by Deticio. Therefore, the STI Olympians will take that ball possession. And ayun na nga ang sinasabi ko. Alex Cario, jersey number 28, is now in for the STI Olympians. Nako, we have to keep our eyes on this man dahil sa napakabilis. But an error has occurred. Nabitawan doon ni Alex yung bola. Well, kakapasok niya pa lang naman, so let's wait for him na mag-init yung kanyang kamay. Now, ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. No good on that first attempt, pero hindi dyan pumayag si Bargayo na hindi makakapasok yung kanyang pag-convert doon ng puntos. Now, Alex Cario, well guarded by Salvacion. Alex Cario nagmamadali. Now to Raceles. Raceles. No, good on that triple. Now Fajardo, a long pass to Bargayo. Bargayo, libreng-libre. Makakakuha nga dyan ng 2 points. Bargayo raising their lead to 8 points. Now Alex Cario. To Raceles now. To Mendoza. Alex Cario. Well guarded here by Salvacion. Mukhang nahihirapan dito itong ating SAI Olympians and the traveling violation has been called. Syempre, traveling is more fun with Nagayon. Travel and tours. Now, Medice. Hands it to Salvacion for 3. No good on that attempt. And a foul. Ay, natawagan dito ng foul. Si jersey number 6 of the STI Olympians, that is Gian Mendoza. Sending Fajardo on the free throw line. And quick shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nakatutok sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. We have Kian Donya of the STI Junior Olympians and Randy Sodsod. Nandito rin si Sir Arnold Abelia of the STI College Naga. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now, Alex Cario for the STI Olympians. Martinez getting that 3-point shot. Nothing but the basket. Nothing but the net rather. Grabe. Napakalinis magtrabaho nitong si Martinez on the side of the SAI Olympians. Well, as we can see, may size and height advantage itong mga players ng Annunciation Panthers. And a foul has been called to Medice, jersey number 8 of the Annunciation Panthers, during that action with Alex Cario. Napakaigpit nung depensa doon ni Medice pero natawagan siya doon ng foul. (19-25), 6 points lead with 24 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Now Bargayo to Medice, back to Bargayo, but still coming from Alex Cario. Now Bustillo, libreng-libre. What a good ball rotation with 9 seconds for the STI Olympians dito sa ating first quarter. Now Martinez with 3 seconds. Now Montanya, mauubusan na nga dito ng oras. And that's the end of our first quarter, 27-19. 8 points lead po ang hawak na kalamangan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. We'll be right back after a short break. And we're back after that short commercial break for the second quarter of action. Ako pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante, dito sa ating second quarter. And 8 points po ang hawak na kalamangan ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong play para maipanatili yung kanilang kalamangan. And syempre, kung dadagdagan pa nila yan. And of course, napakaagang tres coming from jersey number 13, Bargayo of the Annunciation Panthers. Also, let's see kung ano yung pagbawing gagawin dito ng ating STI Olympians. Since the pressure is on na defending champs yung kanilang kalaban dito. But Justin Kyle Nuestro getting that 3 points naman. Grabe. Maagang pagbawi rin coming from Nuestro. Now, Bargayo well guarded here. Sandrino fires for 3. No good on that 3 points attempt. And out of bounds as the same ball possession po tayo dito for the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. We have Sam Rocco, Copino Yuri, Duca, and Giancarlo Raro. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now good on that triple. Now, STI Olympians, Martinez, pass it to Nuestro. Now Nuestro to Montanya. On the outside, nahihirapang pumasok dito. Jersey number 3. No good on that triple. But Montanya, pull-up jumper. No good pa rin on their second attempt now for their third chance. And the same ball possession dito for the STI Olympians. Grabe. Let's see. STI's basketball, jersey number 34. Montanya to Nuestro. To Mendoza. No good on that triple and saktong-sakto yung pag-expire nung shot clock doon. And turnover naman tayo dito on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Bargayo to Medice. Medice well guarded by Justin Kyle Nuestro. Now, Sandrino of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayun na nga at natawagan dito ng pushing foul. Itong si jersey number 3 of the STI Olympians. And another whistle. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey on the side of the STI Olympians. Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Showing an impressive ball rotation, proving that they are well prepared for this match. Despite facing off with the defending champs, they show no sign of intimidation. Ani nga ni Coach Noel, we are ready for this. Embrace the moment. If they can maintain this level of intensity, they may just turn this high-stakes battle in their favor. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the STI Olympians. And ayun na nga, let's see kung gaano talaga sila ka-prepare dito sa battle na ito against the defending champions for Bukal Season 6. And as we can see, a traveling violation coming from Medice of the Annunciation Panthers. Syempre, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. And on the other side naman, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Rain, on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper. Off with a great start, the Panthers were able to strategize and have a great offense. Still, with their performance reminders were always called during timeouts. During huddle, coach advised the team to relax and listen to him. Apply proper plays at huwag sabayan ng kalaban sa gigil. This is the Panthers ending the first quarter in victory. Stay tuned on what will happen on the next one. That's it for now. Balik sa'yo, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And ayun na nga, narinig natin yung advice ng coach on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Wag daw sabayan yung gigil ng ating STI Olympians. But as we can see, 3-pointer coming from Bargayo on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Barredo well guarded here by jersey number 4, Fulya rather. Now, Mendoza hands it to Montanya. Montanya nagmamadali, going to the inside. Now, a wrong pass from jersey number 3. Nagmamadali dito. Getting that easy layup coming from jersey number 20. Hintalan of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, let's take a look kung anong pagbawi naman yung gagawin dito ng ating STI Olympians. Easy layup din coming from Jolois Barredo of the STI Olympians. Parang tinapon niya lang doon yung bola and eventually pumasok naman. Good for 2 points. Now, no good on that triple for Bargayo on the same spot. But here comes Fulya. Did not get that 2-pointer. Now Nuestro fires for 3. And no good. Now jersey number 13, Bargayo. Grabe. Napakabilis ng salitan nitong dalawang koponan na ito. But Bargayo getting the 3 points play opportunity. Grabe, hindi talaga sila pumayag dito na hindi sila makakonvert ng points. And 3 points play opportunity pa nga for Bargayo. And as we can see, medyo malaki na po yung kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. 37-26, 11 points lead. Dagdagan pa yan ng isa by Bargayo and that 3 points play opportunity was good. Now, Nuestro. Justin Kyle Nuestro losing that ball and out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. Ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Giancarlo Raro and kay Ninang Eva na nakatutok sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Ayan, happy viewing po. And natawagan nga dito ng foul itong si jersey number 3, Gio Samentar of the STI Olympians. And the STI Olympians is now on a warning for penalty situation. Grabe. We are about to approach the midway of our first half. Second quarter. Now once again, Bargayo on the free throw line. Getting that first attempt. Now once again, Bargayo STI Olympians ball possession. Justin Kyle Nuestro well guarded here by jersey number 20, but still coming from Bargayo na naman. And another free throw for Bargayo on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. A back-to-back opportunities for Bargayo. Medyo na-hold na yung 26 points dito ng ating STI Olympians. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang pagbawi dito. And a quick shoutout again to Sir Ruel Tud and Miss Maryland Ortega of STI College Naga. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now Bargayo once again for his second attempt. Now STI Olympians Racelis. Well guarded here by Detisho, but a blocking foul has been called to jersey number 24 of the Annunciation Panthers. That is Sandrino. Now to jersey number 5. STI Olympians basketball. Russell Berse. Now Nuestro, here comes Justin Nuestro. Almost a 3-pointer. But let's see. Ayan at magre-reset dito ng shot clock itong ating STI Olympians. Ayan at as we can see, our officials is having a discussion with the coach of the Annunciation Panthers dahil ayun na nga, nakita doon na tumama daw yung bola doon sa ring and therefore will be resetting the game or the shot clock to 14 seconds. But ayun na nga, nag-issue dito ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers. So, let's see kung paano magte-take advantage itong ating STI Olympians doon sa timeout na tinawag ng ating Annunciation Panthers para naman na mabawasan yung kalamangan dito ng ating Panthers, and we'll be having a replay kung talagang tumama yung bola on that sequence. Ayan at we'll be checking kung magkakaroon nga ba ng 14 seconds shot clock reset yung ating STI Olympians or a complete turnover on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan at pasalamatan na muna po natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have here the Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skyrec Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph, Universidad de Santa Isabel, BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. And of course, Department of Agriculture, Bicol. Ay maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And of course, Bukal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge Fiber X, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. And ayan na nga, we have here the verdict of our officials. The same ball possession po for the STI Olympians, and the shot clock will be reset to, ayun nga, at tumama nga, naalog yung ring natin doon. 14 seconds reset now. Berse, a steal coming from Bargayo. Now, Detisho to jersey number 20. In and out ball for jersey number 20 of the Annunciation Panthers. Here comes Barredo. What an alley-oop play to jersey number 5. Grabe. What a shot coming from Alexis Torres. Pinasiguro na doon itong si Barredo yung shot. Getting that 2 points. And a slip. Now Bargayo fires for a triple. In and out ball for Bargayo. And now a chance for the STI Olympians. Justin Kyle Nuestro. Now to Russell Berse. Barredo. Here comes Barredo. Well guarded Barredo. With that screen coming from Torres. But Fajardo, the big man. Now to Detisho. Now Bargayo pull-up jumper. A teardrop shot coming from Bargayo. Grabing palitan to ng puntos dito. 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Now Russell Berse. Barredo almost getting that 2-pointer. Now Detisio. No good on that attempt. Once again Detisio. Bargayo once again for 3. Grabe. Nagpaulan na dito ng puntos itong si Bargayo on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Patuloy na pagdagdag ng kanilang kalamangan dito. And out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. And that forces the STI Olympians to call a timeout headed by Coach Noel Ordaz. Ayan, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustments sa natitirang 2 minutes and 17 seconds ng ating first half. And nakikita naman natin na nahihirapan ditong umupensa itong ating STI Olympians dahil sa mahigpit na depensa nitong Annunciation Panthers. Ngayon, I think they need to create a game plan na maka-counter nila yung depensang pinapakita nitong ating Annunciation Panthers. And of course, pagdating naman sa kanilang depensa, lalo na the Annunciation Panthers is keep on firing on the outside, on the triple. So, let's see kung ano yung adjustments nila doon after that timeout. Now, we're back here. And the ball possession will go to the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Medice, well guarded by Rasiles. But a screen coming from Bargayo. Now, Bustillo to Alminie. No good on that triple by Alminie. Now, the big man Fajardo. Grabe, double team Fajardo, pero jersey number 26 did not get the triple. Now Rasiles hands it to 21 and a slip from Martinez and a turnover here on the side of the STI Junior of the STI Olympians. 28-45, 17 points lead. No good on that triple by Sandrino, and a turnover here on the side of the STI Olympians after that foul committed by jersey number 69 Mark Ernest Fajardo of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, at 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining for our first half. Now, Russell Berse. Martinez did not get that triple. And now, Alminie securing that ball after that offensive rebound. Now, Medice to Alminie, but a loose ball. Natawagan nga dito ng foul itong si Kenneth Martinez of the STI Olympians. And Alminie is now on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. And that's good for his first attempt. A chance here to raise their lead to 19 points. And that's good for the Annunciation Panthers. And at 19 points lead na po yung kanilang hawak na kalamangan dito. Now, Cyrus Kenraceles. Alright, Medice almost getting that 2-pointer. Now, Martinez ngayon nagmamadali, but a steal from Medice. Now to Fajardo and Alminye. Wala pa rin, no good pa rin on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And almost getting that 2-pointer. And ayun na nga, mabibigyan dito ng 2 free throws itong si jersey number 21 Palacio of the STI Olympians. Ayan, 23 seconds remaining sa ating first half. No good on that first attempt by Palacio.
Before ka pwede ka mag-exit just to
Now Medice to jersey number 20 Hintalan rushing to the inside but no good on his attempt. Now Barredo, medyo napalakas dun yung pasa nitong si jersey number 11 Pado. But an offensive foul coming from jersey number 69 Mark Ernest Fajardo. Grabe yung gigil ni ref doon sa kanyang shooting foul. Grabe. A chance here for... And that's the end of our first half. Lamang po dito ng 19 points. Itong ating Annunciation Panthers will be playing the highlights reel for this first half and we'll be right back after this halftime break. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we're back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second half of action. Ayan, at makakasama niyo po Jasper Abante for this second half. Ayan, at 16 points na kalamangan po yung nagawa nitong ating Annunciation Panthers for the first half. And let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy yung kanilang momentum in the second half. And of course, yung kanilang kalamangan dito to claim the third spot in the play-in round. And of course, ito namang ating STI Olympics. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila para makuha yung momentum, magtuloy-tuloy at sila naman yung gumawa ng kanilang momentum. And an early turnover here on the side of the STI Olympians. Ayan, at the ball will go on the side of the Panthers. Now, Detisio to Salvacion. Now Fajardo, the big man, double team Fajardo. Well guarded by Russell Berse. Match na match sila dito. But no good on that attempt. Now jersey number 8, Racelis. On the corner, jersey number 22. Now Racelis once again. No good on that triple. Now another offensive rebound for the STI Olympians. 3 seconds to shoot. And a steal here coming from Racelis of the STI Olympians. Martinez to Racelis once again. Now to jersey number 22 far for 3. No good. Back-to-back steals from the STI Olympians. Montana, wala pa rin. Now, Detisio stops and pops for 3. Did not get that triple. Now, jersey number 0, Martinez. Now, once again, grabe. Napakainit na ng ating bakbakan dito sa ating third quarter. Now, Martinez hands it to Russell Berse. And now, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Rain, all the way from the Annunciation Panthers. Rain, take it away.
Folks, so far the Panthers are maintaining their momentum as they were able to win the second quarter as well. Look around and be aware of your surroundings when playing. Relax at huwag magmadali. Secure opportunities at huwag makampante. Ayan ang mga paalala ni Coach Ron to the team. Ako na nga makakapagsabi, despite the gap, the Panthers still are determined to continue scoring. Ito na ang sinasabing pusong Panther na tinataglay nila. Bago nga magsimula ang third quarter, Coach Ron reminded them na pag-isipan ang pinaghirapan nila and make it count hanggang sa dulo ng larong ito. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And ayun na nga, pusong Panthers yung natutunghayan natin dito sa kanilang momentum from the second quarter up until dito sa ating third quarter. And of course, on the other side naman, let's hear an update from the STI Olympians. Nandiyan ang ating napakagandang courtside reporter na si Casey to give us an update. All right, so Casey, take it away.
As we enter the third quarter, the pressure is on for the STI Olympians. During the previous quarter, the team have found themselves on a challenging position, struggling with multiple turnovers, which resulted in a significant lead of the Panthers. These errors have given their opponents more scoring opportunities, making it harder for the Olympians to close the gap. During the huddle, Coach Noel emphasized the importance of staying focused, saying the execution is there pero yung turnovers natin nakakabigay sa kanila ng pagkakataon. He reminded the Olympians to be more aggressive both on offense and defense to match the intensity of the Panthers. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the STI Olympians. And of course, tingnan natin yung pagbawi nitong ating STI Olympians na nakikita rin natin yung kanilang determinasyon para makuha yung third spot dito sa ating play-in round. And I think they are just having the pressure na defending champs yung kalaban nila. And as we can see, foul committed by jersey number 16, Alminye of the Annunciation Panthers. Now Barredo to inbound. Wrong pass here. Now Salvacion. Salvacion once again. No good on that triple. Now Jolois Barredo. But a steal coming from Detisho. Now Bustillo. No good on that 3 points attempt. Grabe. Napakabibilis. Russell is getting that 2-pointer. 54-33. 21 points lead. Now Bustillo slowing down Bustillo. Well guarded here. Salvacion again. But no good on that triple by Salvacion. Now Rascelis to Martinez, getting that triple! And that's good. On the side of the SA Olympians, napakagandang bawi doon by Martinez. Grabe. Alminye. Di diretso. Now Cyrus Ken Rascelis. Hands it once again to Martinez. Another chance for the SA Olympians. Martinez to Montaña for 3. And no good on that triple by Montaña. Now Bustillo. Well guarded. Grabe yung screening dito. Itong si jersey number 4, Fulia. And a foul coming from jersey number 11. Pado of the STI Olympians. 4 minutes and 57 seconds remaining. Midway point ng ating third quarter. 18 points lead of the Panthers now. Bustillo. Well guarded by Barredo here now. Salvacion on the outside goes to the corner. Alminye almost getting that triple. But here comes jersey number 16, Alminye once again. Grabe yung banggaan doon ni Alminye and ni Pado sa ere. Grabe. And now, 3 points play opportunity ang makukuha dito ni Alminye. 20 points lead, a chance to raise to 21 points. Ito ang ating Annunciation Panthers. So let's see. No good on that attempt by Alminye. Now, Nuestro is in for the STI Olympians. Almost a steal. But a steal nga from Bustillo. Now to Detisho. Another 3 points play opportunity for Alminye. Grabe, back to back. Napakagandang opportunities. For the Annunciation Panthers na ipagpatuloy yung kanilang kalamangan and syempre yung kanilang momentum dito sa ating third quarter. Now let's see. Nuestro looking for a good opportunity here. Now Berse. Grabe yung banggaan doon ni Berse at ni Fajardo. Now Alminye. Well guarded by Montaña here. Now Salvacion. To Alminye. Salvacion stops and pops for 3. And that's good. Grabe, patuloy na pagpuntos ang ginagawa dito. Scoring streak of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, na makakakuha naman dito ng free throws itong si Jolois Barredo of the STI Olympians. After that foul committed by jersey number 69, Mark Ernest Fajardo of the Annunciation Panthers. A good chance na mabawasan dito yung kalamangan nitong ating Annunciation Panthers, but that first attempt by Barredo is not good. So let's see sa kanyang second attempt. Now Fajardo, the big man. Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws. And that first attempt was good. Now, Nuestro to Berse. Now to Barredo on the outside. Now to Berse on the inside, but still coming from Leticio. Now Bustillo. Nagmamadali dito. Bustillo parang may pupuntahan, but still coming from Montanya. Now, a deflection by Salvacion. Now 29. Almost getting that triple. Now, Bustillo getting that layup. Grabe. Napakabibilis, napakalalakas itong dalawang teams na ito. And hindi rin basta-bastang bumibitaw. Talagang pinaglalaban pa nitong ating SA Olympians yung kanilang 4th or 3rd spot sa play-in round. Now Barredo to Nuestro. Almost an alley-oop play, but out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. Ayun, susunod na laban na po ang bakbakan ng Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights and the UNC Junior Greyhounds. Napakagandang matchup on the next game. And of course, yung ating game of the day later, the CSPC Blue Stallions against ayan ang ating last game. UNC Greyhounds and the CSPC Blue Stallions. Now, jersey number 16. Grabe. As we can see, Panthers really had the wings. Grabe. Alminye lumilipad just to get that layup. Still, once again coming from Alminye. But nasa likod niya doon itong si jersey number 29, Pelayo. Now, Nuestro. Ayaw nang patawidin dito. Pelayo to Montanya. And that's good for that pull-up jumper by Montanya. 28 points lead. And a block by Russell Berse. Grabe, napakatangkad talaga nitong si Russell Berse, the big man of the SA Olympians. And a 3 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Justin Kyle Nuestro after that foul. Grabe, napakagandang opportunity for them na mabawasan dito yung kalamangan ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Blaze, kay G. Montanya, kay Ferb Cortan, kay Mark Lester Matos. Ayan, happy viewing po. The previous player or the former player of the Annunciation Panthers, also in the seniors division. We also have here Aldri Colarina, Daisy Medice, and J.R. Celino. Ayan, happy viewing po. Na Montanya libreng-libre dito, but a missed opportunity coming from Montanya. Now let's take a look here. Pelayo, hindi napapayag na maulit yung nangyari kay Montanya, getting that 2 points. Now, once again, Justin Kyle Nuestro with 7 seconds to shoot. Now, with 2 seconds for 3. Almost a 3 but no good on that attempt. Grabe, napakahigpit ng laban natin for our third quarter, and that's the end of our third quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ayun na nga at nagbabalik na tayo dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the fourth and final quarter. Ayun at lamang po ang ating Annunciation Panthers by a big margin dito. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ating STI Olympians para naman mabawi yung kalamangan dito ng ating Panthers. And if they can still get the third spot in the play-in round. Pero 3 points agad coming from Hintalan. Now Alex Cario, grabe, sobrang bilis but out of bounds as the Annunciation Panthers will take that ball possession. And a traveling violation naman ang itatawag dito kay jersey number 24 Sandrino of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan. Alex Cario for 3. And that's good. Alex Cario of the STI Olympians. Grabe. Ayun, yung hinihintay nating galawan from Alex Cario. Let's take a look at this once again. Another chance and a 3 points play opportunity. And ayun na nga, napakainit ng tagpo natin dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. And I think dalawa yung naslap dito ng letter T. Technical. Let's see sa ating officials. Ayan at natawagan nga dito ng technical foul. Double technical foul itong si jersey number 24 Sandrino of the Annunciation Panthers, and natawagan din dito ng technical foul itong si jersey number 0 Martinez of the STI Olympians. Grabe, napakahigpit nung tagpo nitong dalawang teams na ito. And our officials will be having a review kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari doon sa sequence na iyon. But technical foul na yung naitawag dito kay Sandrino of the Panthers and kay Martinez naman of the Olympians. So let's see. Ayan, so while we are waiting for the decisions of our officials, quick shoutout muna tayo dito kay Jesus Tondo, Mark Greg Decena, and kay John Carlo Raro na kanina pag nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Ayan, shoutout rin tayo sa ating very cutesy na courtside reporter. And syempre, napakaganda nating commentator, walang iba, Christine Alcanzo Reyes, na makakasama natin on the next game. Bakbakan ng Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights and of course ng UNC Junior Greyhounds. Ayan, susunod na po yan. Alright, so while we are waiting for the decisions of our officials, let's give thanks muna to our sponsors. We have here the Naga College Foundation, Gold Lufa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCFB Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skydeck Advertising owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. And of course, Bukal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge Fiber X, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. And as we can see dito sa ating replay, ayun nga, at tinamaan or binato ng bola nitong si Sandrino, itong si Martinez, and parang gumanti doon itong si Martinez. Therefore, double technical foul yung naitawag dito sa dalawang ito. Ayan, at kitang-kita po yan. Okay, so well, let's wait for the decisions of our referee kung double technical nga ba. Ayun, at buhay na buhay yung ating mga live audiences dito sa bleachers ng STI Olympians. Alright, so we have here the decision of our officials. Jersey number 24, Sandrino. Alright, so jersey number 24, Sandrino of the Annunciation Panthers is out of the playing game while... Okay, so let's take a look once again. Ayun, at malinaw na malinaw, binato dito ng bola nitong si jersey number 24. Itong si Martinez, and Martinez natawagan naman dito ng technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior, and malinaw po yung decision ng ating officials. And the free throws has been awarded already to Bargayo. And this time naman, free throws naman for jersey number 3 for the shooting foul. And let's see kung mabibigyan pa dito ng free throw. And yeah, mabibigyan dito ng free throw itong si Martinez after that unsportsmanlike behavior of jersey number 24 Sandrino. And now he's out of the playing court. And 14 shot clock for the STI Olympians here. 8 minutes and 56 seconds remaining with 24 big points ang kalamangan na hawak dito. 23 rather. Now Alex Cario stepping on the line. And turnover here on the side of the Annunciation Panthers with Bargayo to inbound. Now Bargayo to Mark Ernest Fajardo. Now Salvacion on the outside. Bargayo no good on that triple. Now a steal coming from jersey number 3. Alex Cario nagmamadali. And a triple coming from Martinez, no good. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Rain, on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper, coming in strong and maintaining their energy from first to third quarter. The Panthers are still in the lead. Pero ayon kay coach, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Huwag bigyan ng kumpiyansa ang kalaban and relax and make sure plays for sure baskets. Lamang tayo, huwag tayo magmadali. Dagdag niya pa. But of course, it is too early to celebrate. Anything can happen this fourth quarter. Again, I am Rain Reyes and I am your courtside resident on the side of the Annunciation College of Bacan Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. And ayun na nga, lamang sila. Therefore, hindi nila kailangan magmadali ayon yan sa kanilang coach. So, let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito para ma-maintain yung kalamangan nila dito. And to be effective yung kanilang game plan dito. And as we can see, patuloy pong dumadagdag yung puntos or yung kalamangan dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers kontra din sa ating SAA Olympians. And speaking of the SAA Olympians, let's hear an update from our napakagandang courtside reporter na si Casey. Take it away.
The Olympians are now trailing on the scoreboard, struggling to close the gap as the Panther establish a significant lead. Ngunit tulad nga ng sabi nila, bilog ang bola at marami pa ang pwedeng mangyari for the final quarter of this match. Coach Ruel continues to motivate his players, constantly reminding them to stay aggressive, keep playing with a heart, and focus on defending every possession. Will they be able to turn the tide in their favor? Abangan natin yan, kaya tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the STI Olympians. So, we'll see kung ano pa yung gagawin dito ng ating STI Olympians. Well, the only thing that they can do is to lessen the lead of the Annunciation Panthers. Pero, yun na nga, ika nga ng ating courtside reporter, bilog ang bola at marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa natitirang 6 minutes and 55 seconds ng ating fourth and final quarter. Now, Alex Cario, a steal coming from Salvacion. Now, Bargayo, well guarded here, Bargayo. Now, jersey number 29, Pelayo getting that ball. Jersey number 3 for 3. And only 2. Ayan, 2 points lang pala. Kala ko ay nasa labas siya. And that's good. Coming from Gio Samentar of the STI Olympians. And out of bounds here by the Annunciation Panthers. Turnover here on the side of the STI Olympians. Ayan, at shoutout muna tayo dito kay Sir Mark Christian Amante. Ayan, we miss you, Sir Mark. Dati pong commentator for Bukal Season 6. Also, we have here Bronzal Terence. and Micaela Retona. Ayan, happy viewing po. And a kickball violation by Salvacion. Reset tayo dito ng shot clock to 14 seconds. And that's good for that easy layup coming from Carl Montana of the SAI Olympians. Now 75-51. Fajardo hands it to Deticio. Now on the corner, goes to the inside. Bargayo nagmamadali. Now Nuestro on the side of the SAI Olympians. Carl Montana. To jersey number 29, Pelayo. Well-guarded Pelayo. Now to jersey number 11, Pado. Getting that 3 points play opportunity. Grabe, napakagandang aksyon coming from Pado. Double team Pado. Hindi lang pati basta-basta yung bantay doon ni Pado. Ayan, bantay sarado siya doon ni Fajardo and ni Salvacion, the big man of the Annunciation Panthers. And quick shout out to napakagandang Ma'am Ana Carmela of SCI College Naga. Happy viewing po, Ma'am Ana. Now, the same ball possession for the SCI Olympians. Now, Pado once again. Salvacion well guarded here by Pelayo. Grabe, hindi alintana yung laki dito ni Salvacion. Now Bargayo, pull-up jumper. Makakaganti rin dito ng shooting foul. I mean free throw. Ayan, makakakuha rin dito ng free throw itong si Bargayo. And syempre, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Bukal sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and of course 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. Now, STI Olympians Basketball, Rasilis, jersey number 29, Pelayo on the outside. Now Pado, well guarded Pado. Pado with that spin, Pado with that shot, but no good on that attempt by Pado. Almost getting, pero malaki talaga yung bantay doon ni Pado, and a timeout has been called on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. We'll be right back after a short break. We're back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the continuation of the fourth and final quarter. 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining, and the ball possession will go on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan, 79-53 ang ating score. Now Deticio to Salvacion for 3. No good on that triple by Salvacion. Now Justin Kyle Nuestro nagmamadali dito, almost getting that 2-pointer, but Still coming from Bargayo and out of bounds. Ayan, we'll see kung kanino mapupunta ang ball possession. Alright. At ang bola ay mapupunta on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Bargayo. It's jersey number 18. Detisho rather. Now, Detisho to Bargayo. Detisho nagmamadali dito. Well guarded by Rasilis. Now, Salvacion to Bargayo. With 8 seconds on the shot clock. Bargayo fires for 3 and that's good! Nothing but the net. Grabe. Ayun at natawagan nga dito ng double foul itong si jersey number 20 and jersey number 10 of the SDI Olympians. Double foul lang naitawag dito. Now, Justin Kyle Nuestro hands it to Cyrus Ken Rasilis. Now, Nuestro getting that triple. Grabe. Nothing but the net. A clean basket also coming from Nuestro. Ayan at another foul called to jersey number 11, Pado of the SDI Olympians. And both teams are now in penalty situation. Now, Folia is preparing to check in and now he's in for the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Hintalan on the free throw line. Let's see. And that's good for his second attempt. And now, 84-56 ang ating running score. Now, Cyrus Ken Rasilis. And that's good for 3 once again. Back-to-back 3 coming from Cyrus Ken Rasilis. Oh, Justin Kyle Nuestro rather. The team captain of the SDI Olympians. Now, Detisho. And out of bounds as the SDI Olympians will take that ball possession. Now, Nuestro once again. Grabe. Nuestro being unstoppable dito sa last 3 minutes ng ating fourth and final quarter. Well, 6 big points na yung nailagay niya dun sa last 3 minutes ng ating fourth and final quarter. And this time, 3 points play opportunity pa din for that 3 free throws, and that's good for his first attempt. And that's good for Justin Kyle Nuestro. Well, magkamukha kasi itong dalawang to eh. Kaya medyo nalilito ako dito sa dalawang to. Cyrus Ken Rasilis and Justin Kyle Nuestro. Now, Detisho on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Now, still coming from jersey number 34, Carl Montana. Once again, Nuestro. Kala ko titira siya doon ng 3-pointer. But Barredo getting that 2-pointer. And it's on the last 2 minutes and 8 seconds of our fourth and final quarter. 20 big points. But a foul coming from jersey number 11, Josh Ray Pado of the STI Olympians. Makakakuha dito ng 3 free throws itong si Bargayo on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. No good on that second attempt by Bargayo. And here's the last attempt. And that's good for that last attempt by Bargayo on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. The last 2 minutes of the battle for the third spot. And a whistle coming from jersey number 13 of the Annunciation Panthers, that is Bargayo. And 2 free throws ang gagawa dito kay Cyrus Kenraceles, and his first attempt was good. So let's see sa kanyang second attempt, and that's still good on the side of the STI Olympians. 20 big points sa last 1 minute and 45 seconds. So let's see. Salvacion. Well guarded here by Montaña. Now on the inside, jersey number 4, Fulia, using his big body dun sa mga bantay niya doon. Now Cyrus Kenraceles once again. Here comes Justin Kyle Nuestro. Fires for 3. Almost getting that triple. Now Fulia. Hands it to Salvacion. Now Salvacion. Well guarded here by Montaña. And now Nuestro, the same ball possession. Ayan, at 2 free throws again for Justin Kyle Nuestro of the STI Olympians. 48 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Ayan, so now the Tisho to Fulia, but still here coming from Joe Luis Barredo with 30 seconds remaining. Now Montaña has it to Raceles. Now Raceles to jersey number 2, Barredo, and another foul coming from jersey number 18, the Tisho of the Annunciation Panthers. And ayun na nga, nagtawag na dito ng timeout itong ating Annunciation Panthers. $18 remaining for our fourth and final quarter with 20 big points ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. I think the only thing that the STI Olympians can do here is to lessen the gap, to lessen the lead of the Annunciation Panthers dito. That's good for that first attempt by Joe Luis Barredo of the STI Olympians. No good on his second attempt, and 19 big points ang kalamangan na hawak dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And now they are slowing things down, and I think the Annunciation Panthers just have secured the And that's the end of our fourth and final quarter. Congratulations to the Annunciation Panthers. Ayan na for securing the third spot dito sa ating play-in round. And of course, thank you and congratulations din sa ating STI Olympians for giving us a very good game. Nakita naman natin yung kanilang determination and hindi rin sila basta-bastang bumitaw dito sa ating battle for the third spot. Ayan na nga at we'll be flashing the highlights of the second half, and after that makikilala na po natin ang ating best player of the game, kaya tutok lamang only here on Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. This time, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game, none other than jersey number 13, Joshua Bargayo, with 30 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist, and 3 steals. Hatid sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Alright, so first of all po, congratulations sa pagkapanalo nyo ngayon. And matanong ko lang po kayo, ano po yung preparation personally and of course yung as a team, kasi nakita naman namin first round pa lang or first quarter pa lang ay maganda na yung performance ng ating Annunciation Panthers. So personally po, paano po kayo nag-prepare against dito sa STI Olympians?
Talaga po nag-prepare po kami sa mga bawat laro po namin. Wala na po yung bagyo. Isa po yung struggle sa amin po kasi hirapan po kami sa paghanap ng court po kasi talaga po nag-training po kami kahit kulang sa oras. Yun po, pukpok po sa training. Yun po.
Okay, so ayun, nakita naman natin na nagbunga ngayon yung preparations nyo against the STI Olympians, and ayun na nga, na-secure nyo na yung third spot dito sa ating play-in round, and ngayong mabilis na paparating na yung ating quarterfinals. Ano pa yung dapat naming abangan dito sa team nyo, sa Annunciation Panthers?
Hindi ko pa po dapat po namin ipapakita po sa quarterfinals po. Gawin lang po namin yung best namin po. Tsaka po, ensayo po kami para sa team po.
Alright, so yun yung kailangan naming abangan para sa Annunciation Panthers, and ipapromise nyo naman na gagawin nyo yung best nyo para sa team. And now, I'm giving you the floor to shout out sa lahat ng family, friends, and relatives na sumusuporta sa inyong team.
Especially po kay Lord, salamat po dahil safe po kami naglaro. Shout out po sa Annunciation, tsaka kay Ma'am Jean, kay Sir, kay Boss, sa coaching staff po at saka sa Annunciation team. Shout po sa mama ko po sa abroad, tsaka sa Mama Nidis, sa Uyab, sa mga kauban, ka-team ko po. Yun lang po.
Okay, so maraming salamat and congratulations sa pagkapanalo ngayon. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ayan, at nagbabalik na nga po ulit kami, and that's it, the best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yun ng KD Sportswear and Apparel. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok from our first quarter up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Tutok lamang dahil susunod na ang bakbakan ng Ateneo de Naga Junior Golden Knights and the UNC Junior Greyhounds. Ayan, at I am Jasper Abante, and tutok lamang for more top tier basketball actions only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.